Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to change the hot shoe on a Speedlight. I'm changing the hot shoe for the Flashpoint Zoom R2. Pardon my video skills, but I don't do this very often. Alright, so had this Speedlight for a while and I busted the hot shoe. Can you see it?
Turn it sideways? No. Facing the door. Yeah.
Alright.
Hot shoe busted.
So I ordered a replacement hot shoe from China.
Replacement hot shoe from China.
Really true. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna try to replace it. Let's see. To do this you need a nice screwdriver set.
One nice screwdriver set.
All those different bits. I don't remember the name of this size. I don't think it's written. Oh, yeah, it is. It says PH00, whatever that is. So I bought this tool set when I had to replace a screen on an old BlackBerry back in the day, and it's been with me ever since. Years. You remember how long ago that was? Truly, when I did the screen.
Nope.
Okay.
Maybe 2010
Yeah. So cool.
or 11.
This thing was easier than I thought. Way more. So I need to plug this in.
It is easy.
Make sure that I'm not hurting these pins, cause voila. And then how long did that take? Like 5 minutes?
Not even.
So now after I do this, I need to get some batteries in and then make sure that it works. Well, I need to put it on top of my camera as well. Make sure it fires. You know what I should have done? I should have probably just do it live. That's what I should have done. Alright. So the hot shoe cover. Yeah. These things are so delicate though.
Yeah, you want to show us the finished product?
Yeah.
Getting sick.
So now I'm just trying to get some batteries. Test it out. Got batteries for days. so we know it's working. So now let's put it on my camera. Mark it properly. Fire.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Success. So as I showed you earlier, this was successful. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and let me know if you want to see any more of these DIY videos. Thanks for watching.